Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang yung energy update for September 1 to 15, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services. Extended yan ngayong September. So, pwede na kayong mag-book. Ang link nasa description at sa pinned comment. And also, please like, share, subscribe sa ating channel. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And meron tayong free one question tarot reading. Comment lang kayo dyan ng inyong question at pipili tayo ng babasahan. So, this reading is a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Okay, Aquarius, what's the energy para sa mga Aquarius? Overall energy, challenge, opportunity, blessing. Uy, may moving on. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Cups. This is celebration. Oy, nakalimutan ko. This is the energy ng money, career, finances, and love life and family. So yeah, merong celebration, may achievement. Pwedeng malaking achievement, maliit na achievement, it doesn't matter. As long as masaya kayo doon. You have the Two of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo may engagement. Or pumasok kayo sa isang partnership, relationship. Or merong magsa-celebrate ng anniversary nila. Oh, I feel like ito ay achievement na matagal mo nang tina-target, no, na goal, tas na-achieve mo na finally. Aba, nakabili ng sasakyan. And then you have the Six of Pentacles. Balance in your finances. Helping others. So, maaring meron ka ring tutulungan dito. I think some of you are sharing your knowledge or skills to other people. The Chariot is also about focusing on your goals. Yung iba sa inyo may goal kayo financially na to become financially stable. Or more on ano na rin to. Lalo na yung iba sa inyo na very successful na. Ang goal ninyo na ngayon is how to share your blessings at makatulong sa ibang tao. You have the Magician, the Hanged Woman, the Six of Cups. Meron kang gustong balikan na interest mo dati. Pwedeng dati mong hobby, no? Hindi hobby yan na asawa. Yung libangan. Na nag-e-enjoy ka talaga doon. Pwedeng pottery, ganyan. Pottery talaga. Or paghahalaman, gano'n. Anything na nalilibang ka na gawin, na maaring naging basic ka nung mga nakaraan kaya hindi mo nabigyan ng attention. You have the Six of Cups. Meron din ditong finality or parang finally umaalis ka na sa isang situation na hindi na nagpapasaya sa'yo. Oo. Yung iba sa work, may kinalaman sa trabaho. So, hindi ka na masaya, hindi ka na inspired. So, now you are, parang, pwedeng may babalikan ka na dati mong naging career path or bagay na pinagkakaabalahan mo before, na dun ka na mas naging masaya. Tapos, yun yung focus mo. Okay, overall energy is the Two of Wands. The Two of Wands is about finally taking that action and choosing, no? May pinipili ka na dito. Kung ano yung direction na tatahakin mo. Pwedeng, ayun nga, yung dati mong naging career or trabaho or can be relationship na iiwanan mo na for a new direction. Hindi naman porket may iniwan ka na relationship may papasukan ka na kaagad na bago. Ibig lang sabihin yan is you are you already know what you want. Mm-mm. Na hindi ka na nagsistay sa isang sitwasyon, mapatrabaho man yan or relationship, na hindi ka masaya. Your challenge is the strength card. May mga times kasi na sinasarili mo yung problema mo, yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, na ayaw mo nang i-share sa iba. Which is, syempre that is your privacy. But there are also times na kailangan mo ring mag-confide or makipag-usap sa iba. Just make sure na mapagkakatiwalaan mo yung taong yun. And then, the strength card is also your confidence. Confidence mo sa sarili mo. May mga times na parang nawawalan ka ng, nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Iwasan mo yun kasi marami kang abilities. Pinagsama ko yung abilidad tsaka abilities, no? Abilidad, yan. You have the 9 of Pentacles as your opportunity. So, meron kang opportunity na mag-focus sa sarili mo, magpayaman, magnegosyo, magtrabaho, at maibigay yung needs mo na hindi mo kinakailangan ng ibang tao. But it doesn't mean na hindi po kaya mo on your own, wala ka ng gagawin to connect with others. It also helps, no? May mga tao naman na worth it talaga yung connection, like friendship, romantic partner. But at the end of the day, ikaw yung main caretaker ng sarili mo. 'Di ba? Your blessing is the 6 of Swords. So this is moving to a new direction. So yung iba sa inyo, this is a blessing kasi umaalis ka na doon sa conflict, doon sa problema, doon sa misunderstanding. So you are now going to a new direction na kung saan mas hopeful ka na mas magiging maganda yung sitwasyon mo doon. And then, you have the 2 of Swords for your money, career, finances. This is a major decision. Yung iba sa inyo, ang iiwanan yung sitwasyon ay source of income nyo, trabaho, business, na alam nyong hindi na siya, pwedeng hindi na siya profitable, hindi ka na kumikita or hindi ka na masaya, it's so stressful. Now, you're being asked na gamitin mo yung instinct mo, intuition mo. Sa totoo lang, maraming tao na hindi gumagamit ng instinct nila, ng intuition nila kasi minsan nakokorrupt na yung isip nila na puro logic na lang. Yes, tama naman na pinag-iisipan talaga. But there are times na kailangan mo ring sundin yung sinasabi ng pakiramdam mo, yung inner self mo. And then sa love life, you have the Hierophant. The Hierophant is marriage card. So, maaring iba sa inyo, you're getting married or yung concern ng relationship nyo ay may kinalaman sa commitment nyo sa asawa nyo. Oo. Yung iba, marami kayong natututunan sa experiences nyo when it comes to relationships, especially yung mga seryosong relationships. Marami naman. Can be anything na pwedeng matutunan sa relationship. Okay, let's see what else. For Aquarius, okay. You have Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Oh, 9th house is your exploration. Mga pag-aaral. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring mag-aaral kayo or makakamit nyo na yung resulta ng pinag-aralan nyo. Maaring mag-e-exam kayo. Tapos, makakapasa kayo dun sa exam. Kasi talagang inaral nyo siya. You have the Mars in Leo in the 5th house. Oh, okay. Some of you, maaring, may mga times na parang ang dating ninyo is masyadong mayabang. And some people ay hindi yan nagugustuhan. Oo. Na parang, mataas ang tingin sa sarili, ganun. It may also create parang barrier or parang merong pumapagitna sa inyo because maaring may intimidation na intimidate sa inyo yung iba dahil sa success na tatamasa nyo. You also have the Sun in the 6th house. you are going to focus on your health, yung kalusugan mo. Aayusin mo. Maaring yung iba, magkakaroon ng, anong tawag doon? Executive check-up. Or yung iba naman, this is focusing on self-love, self-care. Kayo ay magpupunta sa salon, sa spa. Ayan. For maintenance. Justice. This is karma. So, kung ano, ang karma kasi, yung iba iniisip nila yung karma is always negative. Hindi. Lagi may polarities yan. Karma is the consequence of your actions. Hindi naman siya punishment eh. For some people, punishment siya kasi meron silang ginawang kalokohan. 'Di ba? But yun can also be results of your actions. Kung maganda yung actions mo, edi maganda yung karma. Ganon. Good cheer. So, some of you will celebrate. Like, meron kang achievement. May mga tao na nagsiselebrate ng mga achievements mo. Maaring may kinalaman din sa mga creative talents mo, skills na pinapakita sa iba. You are showcase mo yung galing mo, abilidad mo. And people like that, no? May mga admirers, ganyan, na naniniwala sa inyong mga kakayanan. Meron ding may download of knowledge dito. Ito yung tipong maaring bigla ka na lang naging interesado sa isang bagay. Tapos, nagkaroon ka ng hyperfixation. Na dun ka na nakafocus. Tapos, minamaster mo talaga siya. Yun yung maganda. Kasi, meron kang expertise. Dun lang yung focus mo. Hindi nakakalito, hindi magulo. Choose to follow the path of forgiveness and raise your vibration. So, some of you, merong patatawarin or kayo yung papatawarin. Path of forgiveness. So, pwedeng itong forgiveness na to, pwedeng sa sarili mo rin yan eh. 'Di ba? Magpapatawad ka para sa peace of mind mo or patatawarin mo rin yung sarili mo doon sa mga bagay na naging decision mo na sinisisi mo yung sarili mo bakit mo yung nagawa. Ganun talaga. Nagkakamali talaga tayo kasi we're here to learn and evolve. At hindi tayo mag-evolve kung wala tayong nagiging pagkakamali. Kasi kung nandito tayo as perfect, walang mali, walang pagkakamali, anong dahilan ba't nandito tayo? We should be learning. You will soon enter into a beneficial partnerships, luck and longevity. Bless this union. Papasok ka sa isang beneficial partnership. So, pwedeng romantic connection, pwede ring business partnership. And meron tong benepisyo sa'yo. Hindi lang ito yung ikaw magbibigay, meron ka ring matatanggap. May makukuha ka. You're going to gain something from this. So, good luck and pag long term din to para sa inyo. Okay, so that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.